Sometimes God doesn't give you what you think you want, not because you don't deserve it, but because you deserve better. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about this quote. This quote reflects that idea that when we don't receive that we initially desire, it's not necessarily a reflection of our worth and deservingness. Instead, it suggested that there might be something greater or more fitting for us in the grand scheme of things. It emphasizes a belief that a higher power or the universe has a broader perspective and may have something better in store for us, even if we can't see it right now. It encourages trust and patience, implying that our ultimate good is being taken care of even when it doesn't align with our immediate desires. The quote touches on a deep philosophical and spiritual idea. Here's a more detailed breakdown. First is perspective and understanding, growth and development, timing and readiness, trust in a higher plan, redefine desires. First is perspective and understanding. Our understanding of what we want is often limited by our current perspective and knowledge. We might desire something that seems an idea in the moment, but our limit view might not account for future growth or the unforeseen circumstances. The quote suggested that a higher power or the universe has a more comprehensive understanding of what's truly beneficial for us. Next is growth and development. Sometimes what we think we want might not contribute to our personal growth or well-being. Not receiving it could be a way of redirecting us toward opportunities that foster our development and lead us to a more fulfilling path. Next is timing and readiness. There might be a perfect time for certain things to manifest. If we don't receive what we want right now, it could be because we are not yet ready or because it's not the right time. The quote implies that something better might come when we are more prepared to appreciate or handle it. Next is trust in a higher plan. The quote encourages faith in a greater plan. It suggested that there's a purpose behind why we don't always get what we ask for and that this purpose is rooted in a larger benevolent desire. Next is redefining desires. Sometimes not getting what we think we want can lead us to discover new desires or inspiration that aligns more closely with our trust, self and potential. This process of being redirected might reveal what we genuinely need or want, even if it's different from our original expectation. Overall, the quote invites us to trust in a greater desire and remain open to the possibility that what we receive might be better suited to our ultimate good than what we initially envisioned. Thanks for watching.